I've been working with my sister Joanna Pomeroy on her music project for this month. Please make sure you follow her on YouTube and on her Patreon to get all the content that she creates every month. This month we wanted to create something that was a little bit more electronic, and so she's doing a cover of a song called Dance Monkey. And yesterday we worked on the arrangement and the instrumentation and pretty much finished it yesterday. So here's just a little preview. For the piano sound, we're using the Forefront piano, which we've used in other projects before. It's just a great sampled piano sound. And we've added a layer using the virtual analog synthesizer Locomotive, which I've created a custom skin for here, to give it some more character and a more electronic feel. And we've used this synthesizer throughout the track really as kind of the main sound source for all of the instrumentation. I'm also using the Anu bassline, which is a great SH-101 emulation. Just has a very nice, warm, crunchy bass sound. Here's the bass with the kick. All the drums in here as well are from the Anu sample kits, which I've created over the last year. And we wanted to make it all a little bit more aggressive and darker than the remix that we were listening to for reference. And so we've created some voice patches here with the Locomotive to create some really, really fat sounds that we've layered with like the bass synth. So when everything really kicks in, here's what it sounds like with the kick and snare. And with everything else, sounds like this. So make sure that you follow Joanna's YouTube channel and check out her Patreon if you want to support her monthly music projects so that we can create more stuff like this. Thanks for watching.